Where's the there?
Wait, why are you taking video of this?
And then there's the other from the ceiling.
What does it look like in Mama's room?
Jep, I need lights there.
There's like
Don't.
powder
Okay.
from the ceiling.
Then that's.
All over the floor. Maybe someone took that. Look at the door. See the frame, the door.
See the image, all the images.
It fell there, not on the floor.
Yeah.
It landed on the couch.
Yeah. See, that's where the cross is, right?
Yeah.
That's where the cross is, and that's the
way.
fireplace.
Where was the Divine Mercy hanging? Right here, right?
Yeah.
Where did it land?
I think there.
The tile. Oh.
See, now that's the TV itself.
Dang, where can we find another one?
Then there's the door frame. There.
Oh, it came off. I thought that was the top part of the TV.
What fell over?
Did the the light switch plate that came off by itself, or the guys did it?
No, it got by itself.
Oh my goodness! Did you see the other one, the outlet? I don't know.
I don't know yet. There's the convenience outlet, the power outlet near the stairs. See the burn.
Oh.
See, and there's the crack. Show the crack on the wall. Okay. See the wall near Mama's window.
Wow.
Okay.
Where's that from? Look.
Now here.
On the ground.
Here's
Oh my God.
This is the no point
I
there.
didn't see that.
See, that's the ceiling, the outlet. Okay, see the crack. And this is the
Did you get this?
inside of this is the fireplace.
Whoa.
See, that's the inside of the fireplace.
Whoa.
Okay. This one on the floor. See that on the ceiling in the bedroom, Mama. Okay. Then I think for the alarm, it blew. Okay, and then
Part of the house right there.
oh, there. Okay, that's
Get the
switch.
thermostat.
And then
The thermostat.
the thermostat.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez, I think this flew all the way from there.
Thermostat. Okay, where yours? And then there's the wall. I think that's part of the fireplace.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Look at the tile.
Where's Mama's Coco?
Check in her. Oh, on the couch.
I think I'm assuming that the lighting went through the fireplace, but that cannot be a certain thing yet because we're waiting for the fire marshal to verify that.
Verify what?
Here, there's an outlet there in the outside, and then there's a part of a wall on the outside, the backyard. So that's the fireplace. Okay.
Was anything hanging?
This is where the cross is hanging and the Divine Mercy. So and then they fell down.
Do you remember anything hanging here? Or was it just
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, behind the TV, the wall right there got thrown off too.
Yeah, see
Yeah.
those?
Look under that. Under, you could see like the studs.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Ew.
This is under the TV
Behind the
stand
TV.
There's another crack.
and the wall.
And then the side, look at the side.
This is behind the TV. Crack on the wall, an opening, and then there's those little holes. Okay. Okay. Holes. There's the ceiling.
I'm following you.
I am right now in front of the big TV.
I'm following you.
Okay. Okay, let's go. This is the
What is it?
computer
Look a hole.
stand or desk in Uncle Per's room. And I guess there's a kind of a hole. I think this is where the surge protector is.
Oh dang.
There's a surge protector in Uncle Per's room. Okay. We're in the garage right now, and this is the regulator or for the water sprinkler. It blew too. Okay. Here's the maybe that's the transformer.
Where do we get these flashlights?
Okay. Okay.
Oh jeez.
Okay, there's the garage opener.
There it is.
There's a cover.
Okay, it blew. And the cover went there at the
This
bottom.
kind of blue.
I think it hit Uncle Per's car.
Look, it's kind of blue. Almost. It's black. Look.
Good. There's the convenience outlet, power outlet. I think they
They took
opened
that
that. Yeah.